Yahoo, or Yahoo.com, is a web services provider that offers both a search engine and a directory of worldwide web pages organized in a hierarchy of topic categories. While the Yahoo web portal started off as a web directory, it soon added other services such as email, news, and finance. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing website and video search engine, with over 2.5 billion monthly users. MSNTM. Microsoft Network, a general-purpose web portal from Microsoft that includes news, sports and entertainment, as well as the Bing search engine, www.msm.com. Integrating with Windows Live, Facebook and X, Twitter is also provided.
Google
Tool for searching web pages. Google also provides services for searching images, Usenet newsgroups, news websites, videos, Google Videos, searching by locality, maps, and items for sale online. Google Videos allows searching the World Wide Web for video clips.
Bing
Bing offers a wide range of search services, encompassing web, video, image, and map search products. The platform is built using ASP.NET, a framework developed by Microsoft for building modern web applications. Ask is a website that helps people find web pages that they are looking for by typing in the subject they want. For example, if someone is looking for web pages about dogs, they would type in dogs or dog, then press the search button. Inktomi. Inktomi developed its traffic server. Software using etching, or storing, technology to speed up the delivery of content on the web, and also offered various other content networking and wireless solutions that enterprises and service providers. Search is a free, open-source meta-search engine that provides search results from multiple sources without tracking the user's activity.